A mother and her boyfriend were taken into custody late Monday on first-degree murder charges related to the death of her 2-year-old son in June 2024, according to authorities in Crawford County. The child tragically passed away on June 17 from a prolonged lack of oxygen to the brain. Affidavits dated January 2 for the couple's arrest warrants classified the death as a homicide. Dr. Christy Cunningham, Associate Medical Examiner, stated that the injuries found on the toddler were indicative of inflicted, rather than accidental trauma and consistent with abusive injuries, according to the affidavits. Dakota Hays, 29 years old, of Alma, faces charges of first-degree murder and first-degree endangerment of the welfare of a minor. Records from the Crawford County Detention Center show that Hays remains in custody, with bonds set at $1 million. Anastasia Grace Atkins, 24 years old, also from Alma, is charged with first-degree murder and permitting the abuse of a minor. She is being held on a bond of $750,000. The affidavits revealed that the boy's death was caused by hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, or HIE, a condition stemming from prolonged oxygen deprivation to the brain. Severe injuries, including those to the head and face in varying stages of healing, were visible on the child's body, pointing to ongoing abuse. Authorities also noted blunt force injuries to the head and face, as well as patterned bruises and abrasions inconsistent with accidental causes. The Arkansas State Crime Lab conducted an autopsy, sharing the results with the Crawford County Sheriff's Office on October 14. Emergency personnel were dispatched to Hays and Atkins' home in the Kibler neighborhood on June 14 after a report of an unresponsive 2-year-old. Deputies arriving at the scene observed significant injuries on the boy's face and head, swollen, bruised, and clearly distressed. Hays reportedly claimed the child's condition was due to water inhalation after prolonged swimming. He stated the toddler had spit up water and shown signs of distress. Atkins supported this account, saying the boy had experienced a seizure-like episode after swimming and that she had attempted chest compressions while Hays called emergency services. However, investigators interviewed 2 other children under the age of 7 living in the household, and their accounts painted a different picture. One child reported that Hays regularly punched the 2-year-old and other family members, adding that both Hays and Atkins would hit the children. The child claimed Atkins sometimes intervened, even hitting Hays when he was harming the toddler. A second child gave a chilling statement, alleging that Hays had thrown the toddler into the pool against his will. The child recounted pulling the boy from the bottom of the pool and explicitly accused Hays of killing the toddler. Despite these allegations, both Hays and Atkins have insisted the boy's death was related to swimming. Dakota stated he thought it was a freak accident and expressed fear because he had never been in trouble before. The affidavit notes. Hays denied any intent to harm the child, despite the visible bruises. When questioned about Hays' behavior after the incident, Atkins revealed that he had apologized, saying he was sorry and did not mean to cause harm, according to the affidavits. The 2 were in custody as of Tuesday afternoon and could not be contacted directly. Thanks for watching. We'll be back soon with another chilling crime story. Stay safe, and see you next time.